Hey, it's Gabe with API Nation. Today I'm going to show you how you can sync Brivity with Dubb so that you can use these two awesome tools together. Start sending video messages, text messages to all the contacts and leads you have in Brivity. It's a great way to build those relationships and push those leads towards deals. It's super easy to set up. Let me show you how. First thing we're going to do is go to apination.com. I'm going to click on Discover Connections. And here you're going to see a bunch of different logos for different apps, real estate apps, productivity apps, marketing apps, and they're all available to be automated through API Nation. So I'm just going to look for Brivity or Dubb to get started. This is alphabetical, so I'm just going to look for D for Dubb. There it is. Click on that. That's going to take me to a menu of apps available to automate alongside Dubb. So I'm going to connect Dubb and automate it to Brivity this time. But if any of these other apps look familiar, if there's anything else you use daily, go ahead and automate that as well. So there we go. The sync available is Brivity leads to Dubb, and that's what I want to happen. I want all the contacts I have in Brivity automatically added to Dubb as they come in. I'm going to activate this workflow. Step one here is to either create an API Nation account or go ahead and sign into your API Nation account if you already have one. Super easy to create one. It's totally free to create an API Nation account. Just click through here, give yourself an email and a password, and then verify that email. You could also sign in or sign up using the Google login here, which is what I'm going to use right now. Then once you sign in, the next step is to connect Dubb. So I'm going to click on Connect the Dubb account. You can see it's asking for a connection label and a token. The connection label is just your name or your office name or your company's name, just something to label this connection so you remember whose connection it is. The token we're going to have to get from Dubb. So you can just go ahead and click here on this link to the Dubb API token. It's going to take you right to the page you need to get that token. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new token. I'm going to call it API Nation. And hit create. You see it's a long string of numbers and letters. I'm going to click it 3 times. It's going to highlight everything. And I can hit Command C or Control C if you're on Windows. Then I'm going to go back to API Nation, click in that token area, and then hit Command V or Control V to paste it in there. And hit connect. All right, now Dubb is connected, so I'm going to connect Brivity. So you can see I need a username for Brivity, the password for Brivity, and then I'm just going to again label this connection. This, as a reminder, is your Brivity username and password, not your API Nation username and password. And then again, you're just going to label it. With your company's name, your business name, or the office. All right, so now we've connected Dubb, we've connected Brivity. There's just a few options left, and then we can go ahead and launch this thing and start sending all our contacts from Brivity into Dubb. First, we're gonna see, do I wanna sync all contacts from Brivity to Dubb? I just check this box. It's gonna send everybody over there that meets these 2 criteria. If instead I want to only start sending any new contacts that start getting added from today going forward, so basically telling this sync, hey, just start paying attention today and in the future. You don't need to go dig back and get all my contacts from the past. If that's the case, uncheck the box. I want everybody in there. I want to build out my Dubb contact list, so I'm going to go ahead and check that box. You could also filter by tags. So if you wanted, you could set up a tag in Brivity called Dubb. And then whenever you want to send somebody over to Dubb, just tag them to Dubb. The sync will see it, pick it up, and send them into Dubb. Finally, you can go ahead and choose an agent if you only want to send over contacts from a specific agent, or you can decide to send over all contacts into Dubb. All right, and then as they come into Dubb, do you want it to overwrite those information you have in Dubb if they happen to already exist? Or do you just want to fill in the blanks? I'm going to tell it to fill in blanks. So I'm going to check this box that says do not overwrite information. It's just going to fill in those blanks. I'm going to come down here to mapping. And a lot of this is done for you. You can see email, first name, last name, company, job title. All this stuff is coming over. Here's a mobile phone. Maybe I want to add a mobile phone number. I just click this plus. Look for the field in Brivity that will work there. Work phone, home phone, other phone, choose the one that's going to work for you. I'm going to go with other phone. Pop it in there. Great. And then you can see actually the tags from Brivity are coming over as tags in Dubb, which is really handy. This all looks fantastic. I'm going to go to the top and activate the sync. All right, the sync is up and running. Now all those contacts I have in Brivity are automatically getting sent to Dubb. Now that they're in Dubb, I can start sending them texts, I can start sending them videos, and start moving those leads and contacts to becoming deals by using these two apps together seamlessly. If you have any questions or need any assistance, give us a phone call, shoot us an email. We're API Nation, connecting the world's applications. We love doing this stuff.